Wrinkles are not only about sun. Glycation is a driver. It locks sugar onto proteins. It helps form advanced glycation end products called AGEs. Can stiffen collagen. They can push oxidative stress and inflammation through AEG receptors. Skin loses bounce over time. Dietary AGEs rise when food browns under high heat. Grilling and frying drive this. Moist cooking reduces AG formation. How to lower skin AGEs with food pairing, not supplements, 2026. This is a food strategy. It targets what you cook and what you pair. There are two levers. Make fewer dietary AGEs. Then pair foods that can reduce glycation chemistry in the meal. One starts with heat. Lower temperature and moisture matters. Steaming, boiling, poaching, and stewing reduce age load versus dry heat. Acidic marinades can reduce AGE formation during cooking. Think lemon or vinegar. Pair with herbs and aromatics for extra antioxidant Now the pairing. Capacity. Protein plus colorful plants. Plants bring polyphenols. Polyphenols are studied for inhibiting AGE formation pathways. Polyphenols can act through multiple mechanisms. One theme is carbonyl trapping and antioxidant effects. These routes link to lower AGE formation in models and reviews.
Add a vitamin C food to the same meal. Vitamin C supports antioxidant defense and collagen biology. Oxidative stress drives glycation
Tea
chemistry.
is a practical add-on. Tea is rich in polyphenols. Polyphenols are repeatedly discussed as age-modulating dietary compounds. Endogenous AGEs rise faster when glucose stays high and oxidative stress is high. Fiber-rich meals can reduce peaks. That matters for the internal glycation load. And the overlooked pairing is simple. A protein main cooked with moisture or marinade, then a polyphenol side plus a vitamin C. Here are three versions. Keep it food-based. Keep it repeatable. The goal is lower dietary AGEs and stronger anti-glycation meal context. Watch the hidden accelerants. High heat plus added sugar is a common pattern. Glazes and sweet sauces on hot surfaces push ADG formation. This is not anti-skincare. It is about priorities. If glycation load stays high, topical routines may hit a ceiling. Be precise about claims. Food strategies can lower exposure and risk markers. That is not the same as reversing existing crosslinks in human skin. Run this as a 4-week protocol. Track meals, not products. Consistency is a lever you control. If a food claim is real, it survives basic filters. It fits known chemistries, published reviews. It is practical enough to repeat. You do not need a supplement stack. Lower the AGG load you create. Pair meals to reduce glycation pressure. Your skin reflects long-run inputs.